Welcome to day 13 of my keto challenge here in Mexico. Yesterday we drove into San Jose del Cabo to go grocery shopping. We went to a really fancy grocery store and picked up a lot of goodies so that we can make a Christmas meal. Now we're on our way out to Nine Palms to do some beach camping. We're going to have Christmas Eve and Christmas Day on the beach with our friends. We are at our camp spot for the evening, and this place is absolutely gorgeous. We're going to start our meal prep by making a keto-friendly cake. Our friends have an oven in their camper, so I'm going to head on over there, and she's going to show me her recipe for keto cake with coconut filling and buttercream frosting. Our cake is in the fridge, and I will show you the final result later. Now it's time to start working on the main course. We are going to be doing a chicken that is stuffed with sausage and bacon, as well as cauliflower mashed potatoes and a salad. So let me show you. Is all prepared, and we're going to set up a little table out on the beach, and we're going to enjoy our Christmas Eve meal under the stars. Thanks for following me on my journey, guys. I hope you enjoyed our keto-friendly Christmas meal. We will see you again tomorrow.
Oh my God! Look what I have now.
Really?